Who is known as the father of genetics? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Watson and Crick. D. Thomas Hunt Morgan. Answer: B. Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel is considered the father of genetics because of his pioneering work on pea plants, where he discovered the fundamental principles of inheritance. What is the basic unit of heredity? A. DNA. B. Gene. C. Chromosome. D. Protein. Answer: B. Gene. A gene is a segment of DNA that contains the information required to produce proteins, which influence traits in organisms. Which of the following is not a Mendelian law of inheritance? A. Law of segregation. B. Law of independent assortment. C. Law of dominance. D. Law of evolution. Answer: D. Law of evolution. The first three are Mendelian laws, while the law of evolution pertains to Darwin's theory, not genetics. What is the shape of DNA in most living organisms? A. Linear. B. Circular. C. Double helix. D. Branched. Answer: C. Double helix. DNA is a double helical structure, as discovered by Watson and Crick, which allows it to store genetic information efficiently. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to ribosomes? A. mRNA. B. tRNA. C. rRNA. D. hnRNA. Answer: B. tRNA. Transfer RNA, tRNA, helps in protein synthesis by carrying amino acids to ribosomes. The change in the frequency of genes in a population over generations is called A. Mutation. B. Evolution. C. Genetic drift. D. Natural selection. Answer: B. Evolution. Evolution refers to the gradual change in the genetic composition of populations over time. Which scientist proposed the theory of natural selection? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. C. Charles Darwin. D. Alfred Wallace. Answer: C. Charles Darwin. Darwin's theory of natural selection explains how organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and reproduce. What is a mutation? A. The destruction of DNA. B. A change in the DNA sequence. C. The production of extra chromosomes. D. The disappearance of genes. Answer: B. A change in the DNA sequence. Mutations are changes in DNA that can lead to variations in traits. The human genome contains approximately how many genes? A. 10,000. B. 25,000. C. 100,000. D. 1 million. Answer: B. 25,000. The human genome consists of about 20,000–25,000 genes that encode proteins. What is the main function of ribosomes? A. Replicating DNA. B. Synthesizing proteins. C. Breaking down waste. D. Transporting oxygen. Answer: B. Synthesizing proteins. Ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis, translating genetic code into functional proteins. Which law states that allele pairs separate during gamete formation? A. Law of independent assortment. B. Law of segregation. C. Law of dominance. D. Hardy-Weinberg principle. Answer: B. Law of segregation. Mendel's law of segregation states that alleles separate so that each gamete carries only one allele for each gene. Which blood group is the universal donor? A. A. B. B. C. AB. D. O. Answer: D. O. Blood group O lacks A and B antigens, making it compatible with all blood types. Which organism is commonly used in genetic research? A. Elephant. B. Fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. C. Shark. D. Human. Answer: B. Fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Fruit flies are widely used in genetic research due to their short life cycle and well-mapped genome. What is genetic drift? A. A random change in allele frequency. B. A type of mutation. C. A dominant gene expression. D. The influence of environment on traits. Answer: A. A random change in allele frequency. Genetic drift refers to random changes in gene frequencies, especially in small populations. Who discovered the structure of DNA? A. Mendel and Darwin. B. Watson and Crick. C. Lamarck and Wallace. D. Franklin and Morgan. Answer: B. Watson and Crick. James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA. Which of the following is an example of artificial selection? A. Wolves evolving into dogs. B. Evolution of antibiotic resistance. C. Farmers breeding crops for larger yield. D. Natural predators eliminating weak prey. Answer: C. Farmers breeding crops for larger yield. Artificial selection is a human-directed process where desirable traits are selectively bred. What is the term for an individual with two identical alleles for a trait? A. Heterozygous. B. Homozygous. C. Hybrid. D. Carrier. Answer. B. Homozygous. Homozygous individuals have two identical alleles for a particular gene. What is the term for traits influenced by multiple genes? A. Codominance. B. Polygenic inheritance. C. Pleiotropy. D. Epistasis. Answer. B. Polygenic inheritance. Traits such as height and skin color are controlled by multiple genes. Which process increases genetic variation? A. Cloning. B. Mutation. C. Genetic drift. D. Asexual reproduction. Answer. B. Mutation. Mutations introduce new genetic variations in a population. Which condition is caused by an extra chromosome 21? A. Turner syndrome. B. Klinefelter syndrome. C. Down syndrome. D. Hemophilia. Answer. C. Down syndrome. Down syndrome occurs due to trisomy 21, an extra copy of chromosome 21. What is the name of the chart used to predict genetic traits? A. DNA sequencer. B. Pedigree chart. C. Genetic map. D. Karyotype. Answer. B. Pedigree chart. A pedigree chart is used to track inheritance patterns across generations in families. Which genetic disorder is caused by the absence of a clotting factor in blood? A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Hemophilia. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Tay-Sachs disease. Answer. B. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is a sex-linked genetic disorder where blood fails to clot due to missing clotting factors. What type of evolution occurs when two unrelated species develop similar traits? A. Convergent evolution. B. Divergent evolution. C. Parallel evolution. D. Adaptive radiation. Answer. A. Convergent evolution. Convergent evolution occurs when different species evolve similar adaptations due to similar environments. What does the Hardy-Weinberg principle describe? A. Evolution of new species. B. Genetic variation in a population. C. Stability of allele frequencies in a population. D. Mutations in DNA. Answer. C. Stability of allele frequencies in a population. The Hardy-Weinberg principle states that allele frequencies remain constant if no evolutionary forces act upon them. Which structure in a eukaryotic cell contains genetic material? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Nucleus. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. C. Nucleus. The nucleus houses DNA, which carries genetic instructions for cell function. Which term refers to the physical appearance of an organism? A. Genotype. B. Phenotype. C. Allele. D. Chromosome. Answer. B. Phenotype. The phenotype is the observable characteristics of an organism, influenced by its genotype. What do we call a gene that can mask the expression of another gene? A. Recessive. B. Dominant. C. Codominant. D. Incomplete dominant. Answer. B. Dominant. A dominant allele masks the effect of a recessive allele when both are present. What type of reproduction results in genetically identical offspring? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Crossbreeding. D. Hybridization. Answer. B. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, offspring inherit the exact genetic material of the parent, resulting in clones. Which of the following best describes a homologous structure? A. Structures with different functions but similar ancestry. B. Structures with similar functions but different ancestry. C. Structures that disappeared over time. D. Structures unique to a single species. Answer. A. Structures with different functions but similar ancestry. Homologous structures, e.g., human arms and bat wings, have the same evolutionary origin but serve different functions. What is the function of telomeres? A. Speed up DNA replication. B. Protect chromosome ends from damage. C. Control the production of proteins. D. Trigger genetic mutations. Answer. B. Protect chromosome ends from damage. Telomeres prevent chromosomes from deteriorating or fusing with other chromosomes.